Best VR Gaming System. Hello and welcome back to another interesting and informative video. In this video, I will let you know about the best VR gaming system that you need. All of the shared VR handsets are amazing for your gaming session, so you can choose any of them without any issues. Now, without wasting a second, let's start with this video. And yes, do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, then go for it right now. Now, let's have a look at first VR handset for the gaming system. I hope you will like our top VR gaming system. Number 1. Oculus Quest 2. The Oculus Rift used to be the first huge title in the modern wave of VR, and Oculus is nonetheless an essential participant in the category. The company's bowing out of the dedicated, tethered VR headset, though discontinuing the Rift S and focusing totally on the standalone Quest 2. This would not imply you cannot experience PC VR on the company's new headset. You may simply want to get an accent cable for it. The Oculus Quest 2 is a standalone VR headset powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, a significant improvement in strength over the unique Quest and its Snapdragon 835 chipset. It provides a complete VR journey in a single bundle, with no wires wanted except for the cost of the headset, and presently offers the easiest resolution of any customer VR headset of 1920 through 1832 per eye. It has 2 action controls for full 6DoF head-and-hand movement tracking, and provides a tremendously sturdy library of VR software programs in its onboard store. This does not show you cannot revel in tethered VR with the Quest 2. Though, the Oculus Link cable is a 5-meter USB-C cable that lets you join the Quest 2 to your PC and use it simply like the tethered Rift S to play PC-specific VR video games like Half-Life. Alex. Now, let's see what we have at the second number. Number 2. Sony PlayStation VR. Best VR Gaming System. The PlayStation VR is compelling thanks to Sony backing its development, plus the PlayStation 4's affordability and availability in contrast with gaming PC. PlayStation VR is compatible with the PlayStation 4 as well as the PlayStation Camera, now included in many PlayStation VR bundles. PlayStation VR headsets are also well matched with the PlayStation 5. However, the PlayStation Camera needs an adapter to work. Some excellent video games are available on PSVR, including Moss, Res Infinite, Until Dawn, Rush of Blood, and Five Nights at Freddy's Help Wanted. Many PlayStation VR video games work with the DualShock 4, so you do not even want movement controls. However, these action controls are the place the PlayStation VR lags behind. The headset nonetheless makes use of the PlayStation Move wands from the PlayStation 3 era, and they are not almost as successful or blissful as the Oculus Touch controllers. Now, let's see what we have at the third number. I hope you will like that too. Number 3. Valve Index VR Kit. Valve possesses a PC tethered VR headset. The Valve Index is one of the priciest. If you purchase the entirety, you require it to work, except the computer, of course. That's difficult to swallow, even if the Index facets a 120 Hz refresh rate, enormously greater than most of its opponents, with an experimental 144 Hz mode. Yet, the Valve Index is presently our preferred tethered VR headset. Although the headset itself is not that impressive, its controllers are revolutionary. They can tune person's finger movements, making video games that take benefit of them a great deal greater immersive than the standard set-off grips on different controllers. It's a very outstanding system and while sufficient to suggest this headset. So if you like to invest in your gaming system, then this can be lit for your gaming system. Now, let's catch out on the next one and see what kind of VR gaming system we have at this slot. Number 4. HTC Vive Pro 2. If you prefer the highest resolution VR experience, the HTC Vive Pro 2 is a headset to get. This high-end PC VR headset objectives for each fan and professional, with the sharpest photo accessible at 2448 through 2448 pixels per eye. It effortlessly provides the high-quality visuals we've got considered in VR so far. It's pricey for simply the headset. You nevertheless require to have the base stations and controllers, but on the vibrant side, you can use the Valve Index controllers with it. The Vive Pro 2 works with Steam VR simply like the Oculus Quest 2 and has its personal VR software program shop in the shape of Viveport. The shop provides the subscription-based Viveport Infinity provider that offers a limitless approach to VR experiences instead of a la carte software program purchases. Now let's have a look at the last slot and see which VR gaming system we have at our last number. Number 5. Hb Reverb G2. Microsoft's Windows mixed reality platform has been dwindling for a while due to the fact that HTC and Valve provide a great deal of large VR video games and software program libraries. As a result, the earlier WMR-specific Hb Reverb has been remodeled into the Steam VR-friendly Hb Reverb G2. It's expensive in contrast with the Oculus Quest 2. However, it is extra cheap and simpler to set up than the Valve Index for a tethered-only VR experience. The Hb Reverb G2 is a simple, available VR headset. The headset's movement controllers experience a great deal greater than its predecessors, and it all works with Steam VR some distance greater reliably. The redesigned Hb Reverb G2 VR headset provides an extra relaxed match and dependable journey than its predecessor whilst preserving the identical sharp photo and realistic price. So, this is it for today. If you like this video, then do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will be back soon with another exciting video. Till that, go and check out the links of these shared VR gaming systems. Links are given in the description box.